Students, today we will be discussing the 7 characteristics of living organisms. These characteristics help us define and understand what makes something alive. By exploring each characteristic, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible diversity of life on our planet. So let's dive in. Movement. One of the most evident characteristics of living organisms is their ability to move. Movement can occur at various scales, from the smallest single-celled organisms to complex multicellular organisms. Some organisms move by using specialized structures, such as legs or wings, while others exhibit more subtle movements, like the growth of plants toward sunlight. Movement allows organisms to find food, escape from danger, and explore their environment. Respiration. Respiration is the process by which living organisms obtain energy from their surroundings. It involves the exchange of gases, usually oxygen and carbon dioxide, with the environment. Different organisms have different respiratory systems, but the goal remains the same: to take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. For example, humans and many animals breathe through lungs, while plants undergo respiration through tiny openings called stomata in their leaves. Sensitivity. Living organisms possess the ability to sense and respond to stimuli in their environment. This sensitivity allows them to detect and interpret signals from their surroundings, including light, sound, touch, and chemical cues. For instance, animals have specialized sensory organs like eyes, ears, and noses, while plants respond to light by growing towards it. Sensitivity helps organisms adapt to their surroundings, locate food or mates, and avoid potential threats. Growth. All living organisms exhibit growth. Growth refers to an increase in size, mass, or complexity of an organism over time. It occurs through processes like cell division and the accumulation of new materials. Organisms grow until they reach a certain size or maturity, which is genetically predetermined. Growth is an essential characteristic because it allows organisms to develop and reach their full potential. Reproduction. Reproduction is the ability of living organisms to produce offspring. It ensures the continuation of a species over generations. There are 2 main types of reproduction: asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction involves a single parent and produces genetically identical offspring, while sexual reproduction involves 2 parents and leads to genetically diverse offspring. Reproduction ensures the survival and diversity of species on our planet. Excretion. Excretion is the process by which living organisms remove waste products generated during metabolic processes. These waste products, such as carbon dioxide, urine, and feces, can be harmful if they accumulate in the body. Excretion allows organisms to maintain a stable internal environment by eliminating waste and maintaining proper chemical balance. Different organisms have specialized organs or structures for excretion, such as kidneys in humans and specialized pores in plants. Nutrition. Nutrition refers to the intake and utilization of nutrients by living organisms. Nutrients are substances required for growth, energy production, and maintenance of bodily functions. Different organisms have different nutritional requirements. For example, humans and animals typically obtain nutrients by consuming other organisms or organic matter, while plants produce their own food through photosynthesis. Nutrition provides the necessary materials and energy for organisms to carry out their life processes. In summary, the 7 characteristics of living organisms are movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, and nutrition. These characteristics collectively define what it means to be alive. Understanding these characteristics helps us appreciate the complexity and diversity of life on Earth. So the next time you encounter a living organism, take a moment to reflect on these remarkable traits that make it a part of the beautiful web of life.